Today we are going to learn First Noel on the violin, a beautiful song and perfect for beginning players. Just watch this tutorial for a really fun and easy version of this piece. I will show you violin taps so you know exactly where to place your fingers, and I really hope that you will learn to play it with the piano accompaniment by the end of this video. Good luck! If you've reached the end of this video, it probably means that you've learned how to play the First Noel. Great job! Please be sure to share your progress with me in the comments, how you are doing so far. And also make sure to subscribe for my next lesson next week. Enjoy the holiday season!